Okay, the coal is catching. Check the pressure on valve 3. These are fully solidified now.
Yes, the edges look perfect. We can start removing the molds.
At the break of dawn, our dedicated team harvests the finest organic sugarcane for our premium Jaggery.
We need 2 more bundles ready for transport now.
Almost done with this one.
Keep coming, keep coming. All right, hold it right there. That's good. Watch the side. Oh. Throw it here. Move that bundle left, fill the gap. Clear. Clear. Okay, crane, bring it down now.
Latches are secure, Sahib. All clear to go.
All right, moving out. Tell the others to follow. Slow down, slow down.
Keep it coming straight, watch the left side. Bring it in slow, watch the line. Okay, hold it right there. Okay. Next one, keep moving forward. Keep coming, keep it slow. And stop right there. All right, bring the next one up now. Ready? Coming down. Watch out below. Clear. All right, bring it left slowly. Hold it right there, easy down. A little more to the left. Okay, bring it down slowly now. Lift it up, careful now. Next bundle coming through. Stack it tight.
Lower it slowly on the left side.
Watch your step. Secure that rope now.
We need 2 more bundles over here.
We need to shift this row slightly left.
All right, tell the driver to pull forward. Push it to the left quickly now. All right, setting this one down. Make sure the edges align. Lift it higher on the left.
Okay, bringing it down now.
Tap the end flush with the others. Keep it moving to the left. We need more coverage here. All right, I'm adjusting the nozzle now.
Ensure the bundles are secure.
Clear on the right side.
Watch the alignment on this one. Got it, shifting it now. We have a slight blockage forming. I'm on it, clear the line.
Clear for processing.
Roger that, moving to the crusher now.
Check the fibers on that one. Make sure it's clear.
Yes, Supervisor, they are perfectly clean now.
Check the RPM on Crusher 3.
It's steady at 450, sir. Flow rate is good. Okay, the coal is catching. Check the pressure on valve 3. More coal on the left side. Okay, I'm adding it now. Check the fire below, it's getting too hot. Yes, reducing the heat now.
We need more heat now. The juice is thickening.
All right, adding more fuel.
Keep the heat steady. We need to maintain the temperature.
I am checking the consistency now. It should be ready soon.
These are fully solidified now.
Yes, the edges look perfect. We can start removing the molds.
Bring the next pallet over here. Look how shiny this batch is. Is this the new organic stock? Easy now, stack them right here.
We need more space for the display.
How much for the large block?
Please feel the texture. It is the finest organic gur, made fresh this morning.
It looks excellent. I will take 2 kilograms.
Here is the premium organic Jaggery.
Thank you. It looks excellent.